raising 5 pigs and 11 chickens, which eat a lot, you might be wondering how on earth I feed all those guys in Southern California without pastures, which we do rely on feed stores to get all the different feeds that we need for the animals and the different additives that we use for blending to make sure we have a balanced diet for the animals. So today I'm going to show you how we procure that and how we store it and how we mix it. Thanks for joining me. This is Tiff, the Informal Farmer. If you like this content and would like to learn more about homesteading, be sure to subscribe to my channel. So here I've got my old Chevy truck, which is what we use for picking up the feed because the bed of the truck is open. It's an 8-foot full length bed, and it's actually a 3/4 ton. So it's old and kind of beat up, and in fact on a charger right now because we don't use it often enough for the battery to stay charged. But it serves its purpose as far as getting us the feed and getting to and from the store. So what we've done is load it up. These are our feed barrels. We have 3 feed barrels, 2 for the hog feed and 1 for the bird feed. And so we take those back and forth to the feed store and pay the refill fee. Or they swap out the barrels with full buckets of feed. They cost just under 20 bucks a piece for an empty barrel, and then we'll see what it costs to fill them up today. We buy it per the pound, and then there's still plenty of room in the bed of the truck. We're gonna be picking up a couple bales of alfalfa because the weeds are running out, and so we want to put something out for the pigs to munch on, graze, and keep busy. And then some supplements that we add to the feed are alfalfa pellets, hog pellets, and then on the side we also get sunflower seeds. So let's take off, head to the store, and see what they have in stock today.
One of the first items to come off the truck is an 80-pound bag of an alfalfa pellet. KuneKunes are usually a grazing pig, and since we don't have pastures, we want to make sure that we're adding that hay, alfalfa, it could be Bermuda, whatever it is, to their feed on a daily basis. Next off the truck, we have the feed barrels. They are about 300 pounds, and at around 30 cents a pound, they're about $100 a barrel. And what this is, it's a mix, it's a 3-way mix of oats, barley, and corn. Since Kunes are a lard pig, we go a little lighter on the corn. That way we're able to keep the excessive fat down. The third thing that we add to our pig mix is a hog pellet, a hog grower pellet, which is really added for extra protein, vitamins, and minerals. We use a large galvanized metal can to layer the different feeds in so that it can get mixed as we use it. Up next, you're going to see our feed buckets. We use 5-gallon buckets. We fill them about 3/4 of the way filled with water. This gives about 4 gallons of water, and then we add the mix to it. We do a soaked feed method. This provides extra hydration for the pigs, also making it easier for them to eat. We do 4 gallons of water to 4 scoops of feed. Here's a fun clip demonstrating how we actually feed the pigs. We have the boys and girls separate. I have to go through the gates and try to get the food in their buckets without getting myself covered in mud. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please join me next time, and don't forget to subscribe to get those notifications.